Okay. We have a state water heater in an attic that is leaking at the temperature and pressure relief valve. It's been leaking there probably due to a blown thermal expansion tank or a bad temperature and pressure relief valve, which is this, or a pressure reducing valve has failed. One of those three. In our jurisdiction, all water heaters are required to have thermal expansion tanks. Do not see one located up here, so we will look to see if it's been placed somewhere else. And then once we replace the thermal expansion tank or the PRV, then we will find out if the temperature and pressure relief valve needs to be replaced as well. In fact, we'll probably replace it anyways, just because once they've started blowing off, that they become weakened, and so therefore we will replace the temperature and pressure relief valve.